All right, good morning, everybody. We're going to be working on lesson 15 today, module 1 still, 4th grade, and we're going to be working on page 109. Today is a very special day. We are no longer going to be using the place value chart in order for us to subtract or add. We're going to use just a standard algorithm in order to both subtract and add. So we're moving away from that place value chart, but we're not moving away from the knowledge that we have of the place value chart. We're still using it. However, we're just not using that chart to create dots and unbundle when we need to. So let's get into a couple problems so I can show you what you'll be doing, and we'll go from there. So let's start with A. All right, we are working in the ones place. So 0 subtract 0, that is simple. That is 0, all right? Now we're working in the tens place. But you can see here that I have 6 tens, and we want to subtract 8. We cannot do that. We do not have enough dots. So that's when we have to unbundle. And we're going to unbundle from the next place value. And we're going to take a group of 10, or we're going to take a group of 100 and make it 10 tens. So now this 10 tens goes to here and makes it 16 tens. All right. Now we have enough to subtract. 16 subtract 8, which will be 8. Okay. Now, look here again. We have 500s, and they want us to subtract 6 of them. We do not have enough. So we have to unbundle yet again. We're going to unbundle from the next place value. This makes it 0, and this 5 becomes 15. 15 subtract 6, we do have enough. It makes it 9. All right, look here again. They want us to, we have 0. They want us to subtract 1. We do not have enough dots, so we have to unbundle. Ooh, but we have nothing to unbundle in that next place value. So we have to go to the next place value. This is why place value is so important. We go to the next place value, we unbundle, we take that 100,000, we make 10 10,000s. So this 0 is now 10. Okay? And we're still working here, right? We're still working in this place value. We don't have enough. But now we have 10. So now we can unbundle this 10 and make it 9 and add 10 thousands to it. Now we can subtract. So let me go back. Perfect. So now I got 9, and we have 10. Perfect. So 10 subtract 1 is 9. 9 subtract 9 is 0, and there's our answer. So 9,980. Now, if you're a little confused by it, we're gonna get more practice in. So don't feel overwhelmed when it comes to unbundling. This is going to be one of the harder lessons when it comes to unbundling because I'm going to ask you to unbundle so often. Okay, so let's get some more practice with B. Okay, so let's start in the ones place. We have 0 subtract 0. Well, that's just simple. That's 0. We have 6 here. We have 6. They want us to subtract 8. We can't do that. We don't have enough. So we have to unbundle from the next place value and add 10. So we have 16 tens here. 16 tens subtract 8 is 8 tens. Again, we have 5, but they want us to subtract 9. We cannot do that, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. This becomes 0, and this becomes 15 hundreds. We can't subtract 15 hundreds with 9 hundreds, and that makes 6 hundreds. Again, we have 0. They want us to subtract 9. We can't do that, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. The only issue is it's 0. We have nothing. So we have to go to the next place value, unbundle from there, make this 0 10, right? Make it 10. And now that 0 here Now we have enough to unbundle from the next place value to make that 10 so we can start subtracting. So we're going to unbundle from here, make it 9, and now this 0 is 10. And now we can subtract 10 and 9, which makes it 1. And this is 9. So now we have 91,680. Okay? Okay, let's get a few more practices in. Still with me. I feel like that second one made a lot of sense. We broke it down. So let's go into C. Let's keep on going. So I'm going to use purple this time. I like purple. And, purple and blue. Let's do that. Boom. Awesome. So here we're going to be working in the ones place again. So in the ones place, here they want us to subtract 1, we have 1, they want us to subtract 2. We don't have enough of that, so we have to unbundle. Let's unbundle here, and this becomes 11. We can't subtract 11, subtract 2 1s. That makes 9 1s with 5 10s. They want us to subtract, we have 5, they want us to subtract 7 here. We don't have enough. We can't do that. So we have to unbundle. So this 2 becomes 1, and this 5 becomes 15. Now we have enough. So 15 subtract 7, that is 8. Again, we have 1, but they want us to subtract 4. We do not have enough, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. So this 4 becomes a 3, that 1 becomes 11. Now we can subtract. We have 7. Yet again, here we go. We have 3, but they want us to subtract 4. We can't do that, so we have to unbundle from the next place value, which is 2. That becomes 1. This 3 becomes 13. 13 subtract 4 is 9. Bring down the 1. And we have our answer, 197,859. So we had to unbundle every single digit in that problem. But what they're trying to do is get you that practice of unbundling. Will you have to unbundle every single time, every single digit, and every single place value? Probably not. But here they wanted to get you that practice. So we're going to do D together, and I want you to do E, F, G, and H on your own when it comes to unbundling. Okay? So let's go into D, and then you'll do the last 4 on your own. I'll check your work as your exit ticket to assess. All right. Let's go into brown. Brown sounds great. All right. So I'm working here. We have 1 in the ones place. They want us to subtract 7. That is not enough. We do not have enough dots, so we have to unbundle. So I'm going to take 1 from the 6, and this 1's going to become 11. So now I have enough. 11 subtract 7 is 4. Here we go. I don't have enough. I have 5. They want us to subtract 8. We don't have enough, so we have to unbundle. Awesome. So now we have enough. 15 subtract 8 is 7. Again, we have 4. They want us to subtract 9. We do not have enough, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. This 2 becomes 1, and this 4 becomes 14. 14 subtract 9 is 5. Again, we have 1. They want us to subtract 4. We cannot do that, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. And now we have enough. So 11 subtract 4 is 7. And yet again, we have 3. They want us to subtract 7. We do not have enough, so we have to unbundle from the next place value. All right, 13 subtract 7 is 6. Bring down the 1, and we have our answer, 167,574. All right, that's it, to be honest. You're going to have to do the rest on your own, E, F, G, and H, and show me your unbundling skills and your subtraction skills. Good luck. I hope this lesson was simple and that you're really understanding how to unbundle with subtraction.